So what is 31st question is, if PQRS are in GP, if PQRS are in GP, then show that P raised to n plus Q raised to n, Q raised to n plus R raised to n, and R raised to n plus S raised to n are also in GP. If P, Q, R, S are in GP, then we have to show that P raised to n plus Q raised to n, Q raised to n plus R raised to n, and R raised to n plus S raised to n are also in GP. Yes. So this question is same as that of your 30th question. So how you will proceed? These are the given terms of the GP. Okay. So how you will write these terms? Here P, Q, R, S are in GP, and if I consider P as my first term, let P be the first term and M be the common ratio. Then P is equals to A. Yes, A is equals to P हो गया. Now tell me what will be the value of Q. Q is equals to क्या होगी? It is P into M. Then R is equals to what will be? PM square. Then S is equals to what? It is a PM cube. Yes or no? Because the general terms of the AP, GP, how we write? General terms of AP. It is A, AR square, AR cube. These are the general terms of the GP. So those terms I have written here. पहिला P आहे, नंतर Q आहे, नंतर R आहे, नंतर S आहे. Where A is my P and common ratio is M. Is this okay?
हो सर.
Perfect.
हो सर.
Now, yes, once you get this, you just substitute these values in the given show that. हे ह्याच्यामध्ये substitute करायचे. That's it. That will give you the answer. Now, we have to show that in GP means what you will show. हे पार्ट आपले GP मध्ये आहेत, म्हणजे तुम्ही काय सांगणार, काय दाखवणार आहे आपल्याला ऍक्च्युअली. Suppose these are the three terms A, B and C. Suppose these are the three terms we have. Okay, A, B and C. If these three terms are in GP, then what is the relation between these three? B square is equals to AC is the B square is equals to AC, that we have seen the mean square. B square is equals to AC. Yes or no? Okay, so means what? It is B by A is equals to, see how I am writing, I am just B square I am writing as a B into B. B into B is equals to AC. So B by A is equals to C by B. Yes or no? You can
Oh,
take
sir.
any one of these three. Either you take this, this or this. And if you are able to show that the middle term square is equals to the product of these two, if you are able to show this, then we say that these three terms are in GP. I hope it is clear. Is it okay?
सर परत एकदा सांगा ना.
Okay. See here. Let me rewrite these terms here. Here P raised to n plus Q raised to n, Q raised to n plus R raised to n, and R raised to n plus S raised to n. We have to show that these three terms are in GP. Means what? It is sufficient to show that the middle term square is equals to the product of these two. Why? We have seen that the property, or you can treat this middle term as the mean. And in generally how we write the mean in GP, this is the way: b square is equals to a into c. Means what? The middle term ka square is equals to product of the extremes. Yes, we have seen this in the revision class as well. So it's sufficient to show that q raised to n plus r raised to n whole square is equals to p raised to n plus q raised to n into r raised to n plus s raised to n. Is it okay? तो चलो फिर let's try to have that. Let's take p raised to n, q raised to n and r raised to n. Q raised to n plus r raised to n, this is equals to, let's substitute the value of q and r. What is q? Is pm. q ची वैल्यू कितनी है? pm है. So it becomes pm to the power n plus what is r is pm square. So it is pm square to the power n. Okay, now if I open this, what I will get? pn m raised to n plus pn m raised to 2m. Okay, and if I take it will be n, not m, it will be n. This is, then we have the p raised to n m raised to n common. If I take p raised to n m raised to n into 1 plus इथे काय राहिलो? यहाँ पे m raised to 2n means m raised to n दोन वेळेस आहे. So I will take that 1. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, perfect. So this is what? It is a q raised to n plus r raised to n. But what I want? I want the square of the middle term. So let's square it. So it will be q raised to n plus r raised to n whole square is equals to p raised to 2n m raised to 2n into 1 plus m raised to n whole square. Is this okay? Treat this equation number 1. I have just taken the squares on both sides. Now let's have the product of these two terms. Which two terms? The first term and the third term. Let's have the product of this. कौन आहे गडबड करता है? Okay, so this is the first term and the third term. So let's have the product of these two terms. Now take the product. So it is p raised to n plus q raised to n into r raised to n plus s raised to n. Okay, now substitute the value of p, q, r, s. So p is nothing but p only. So it is p raised to n. What is q? It is p m raised to power n. q कितने है? pm है ना? q कितना है अपना? q is pm, r is pm square, s is pm cube. So ये bracket close into r is pm square का power n plus s कितना है? It is a pm cube उसका nth power bracket close. Okay, so this is equals to pn plus pn into just power का खेल है यहाँ पे सब, pn m 2n plus pn m 3n. बघा काय काय कॉमन निघू शकतं आता. पहिल्या ब्रॅकेटमधून p raised to n कॉमन निघतं. So let's take the p raised to n common. So 1 plus m raised to n is the remaining into, now from the second bracket what will be the common? p raised to n m raised to 2n. बघा इथे m raised to 2n है and इथे m raised to 3n है यहाँ पे. So m raised to 2n I can take common and as well pn. So let's take that pn m raised to 2n common. So it is 1 plus m raised to n राहिला इथे हा वाला x एक सिंगल m raised to n राहिला. Now again let's multiply this p raised to n and p raised to n, so it becomes p raised to 2n into m raised to 2m, m raised to 2n into 1 plus mn, 1 plus mn into 1 plus mn है उसका स्क्वायर है. So this is number equation number 2. Now compare the equation number 1 and 2. Let's check काय काय आपल्याकडे. p raised to 2n है, p raised to 2n, m raised to 2n, m raised to 2n, 1 plus mn whole square, 1 plus mn whole square. That's great. Means what? We are able to show that the q plus qn plus rn whole square is equals to the product of the two extremes. What it means? So these three terms are in GP. Yes or no? Is this okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. As so conclusion, how you will write the conclusion? As yes, as from 1 and 2, this is 1, from 1 and 2 we are able to show that q raised to n plus r raised to n whole square is equals to p raised to n plus q raised to n into r raised to n plus s raised to n. Therefore the given three terms are in GP. That's it. Is this okay?
Yes, sir.
Good. So let's move to the next question, 32nd question. So 32. So if you have any doubt, please ask. Do not hesitate. Find the coefficient of x raised to 6. Find the Siley will tell me the answer to this question. Find the coefficient of Siley आहे ना? Siley in the expansion of e raised to 2x using series expansion. Using series expansion. Any new student? Can somebody help me with this question? Anyone? New student, among the new student. Find the coefficient of x raised to 6 in the expansion of e raised to 2x using this series expansion. What I want when you expand this e raised to 2x, then there will be some x raised to 6 term you will have in that expansion of e raised to 2x. So in this x raised to 6, I want the coefficient of this term x raised to 6. Anyone? New student? No one? Boss, we have solved this question yesterday. Yesterday only we solved this question. What is problem? Yes. कोण आहे आपल्याकडे? राजा?
Yes, sir.
So can you please help me with that question?
Yes, sir.
Yes, please. Okay.
So e raised to 2x is equal to 1 plus
1 plus
2x upon. So what do we call it?
1 factorial.
Yes, 1 factorial plus 2x whole square upon 2 factorial
Very good.
plus 2x.
ठीक है. Thank you. Now you will get this. Okay. So you know that what is the standard, the expansion of e raised to x is. E raised to x का standard expansion is what it is, 1 plus x by 1 factorial plus x square by 2 factorial plus x cube by 3 factorial and so on and so forth. Okay, so e raised to 2x, now you just replace that x by 2x. So it is 1 plus 2x by 1 factorial, 2x square by 2 factorial, 3x whole square by 3 factorial plus स्क्वायर नहीं, यहाँ पे क्यूब आएगा. यहाँ पे 3 क्यों आया भाई? इट शुड बी 2 ओनली. सो जस्ट रिप्लेस दिस x by 2x. So 2x 2x 2x, then we'll have 2x 4 upon 4 factorial, then you will have 2x 5 upon 5 factorial, then 2x 6 upon 6 factorial and so on and so forth. So now we want to find out the x raised to 6 term. So if you observe very carefully, in this term we will get the x raised to power 6. Okay, so here we get x raised to 6 in 2x to the power 6 upon 6 factorial term. Okay, so the coefficient of x raised to 6 becomes what? Therefore its coefficient मतलब क्या है, उसको छोड़ के बाकी का सब. So एक coefficient of x raised to 6 is what? हां, काय हो, x raised to 6 ला सोडला तर काय राहिला वरती न्यूमरेटर मध्ये? इट इज 2 raised to 6. डिनॉमिनेटर मध्ये राहिला ये 6 फॅक्टर. That's it. This is your answer. As simple as that. This is my answer. X raised to 2 raised to 6 upon 6 factorial is my answer. Is this okay? Simple question. Anyone? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. ठीक है. So let's go through the last question of this topic. 33 question number. Question number 33. It is given as find the sum of infinite terms of. Find the sum of infinite terms of 1 plus 4 by 5 plus 7 by 25 plus 10 by 125 plus 13 by 625 plus and so on and so forth. Okay, Vaidevi will help me. Vaidevi,
Yes, sir.
can you please help me with this question? First understand the pattern. See here, this is nothing but 1. If you see the denominator, here we have 5, 25, 125, 625 means what? What are these terms? So denominator, if I focus, this is 5, 25, 125, 625 and so on. What is this? Is this a AP, GP or HP or nothing?
AP, sir.
AP?
GP, sir.
GP.
Yes, it is a GP. Vaidehi. Why you are saying it is a AP? AP मध्ये कॉमन डिफरन्स असतो सर. AP मध्ये कॉमन डिफरन्स असतो आपल्याकडे. 25 आणि 5 मधला डिफरन्स 20 चा झाला ना. मग 125 आणि 25 मधला डिफरन्स 100 झाला. मग हे दोन डिफरन्स सेम आहे का? नाही आहे. So difference is not same, that's why it is not in AP. Now let's check the ratio. 25 by 5 is 5. 125 by 5 it is again 5. 625 by 125 it is again 5. The common ratio is same, that's why we say that this is in a GP.
Yes, sir.
Now if I observe the numerators, what is this numerator? 4 comma 7 comma 10 comma 13 comma and so on. Now Vaidehi, what is this? It is AP, GP or HP? Check the difference. 7 minus 4 3, 10
3.
minus 7 3, 13 minus 10 3. So as the common difference is same, now we say this is in AP and this is in GP. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Perfect. So means what? If you are combining, now if you see, the given question is nothing but the combination of these two series, combination of these two sequences. Then
sir.
what is the combination of AP and GP?
AGP, sir.
It is AGP. Excellent. It is nothing but the AGP. Okay. And we have infinite number of terms and we want the sum to the infinity. So what is the formula? Sum to the infinity.
एक मिनिट सर सांगते.
Yes, you can refer your notes.
सर फॉर्म्युला असा आहे की सम टू द इन्फिनिटी
Mm-hmm.
इज इक्वल टू
Mm-hmm.
a upon 1 minus r
Very good.
plus a upon 1 minus r whole bracket square.
A upon असा है नहीं, it is not like that. Anyone please help me. A by 1 minus r plus dr upon 1 yes, it is a dr upon 1 minus r whole square. It is a dr upon 1 minus r whole square. Now Sarthak will help me to find out the values of a, r and d. Sarthak. Yes, सार्थक आहे का? सार्थक नाही आहे. अभिषेक नाही आहे. गुड. क्षितिज एक्सेलेंट. कुणाल
हाँ सर ए 1 है.
very good. Wait a minute boss. A is equals to 1. हाँ. What is D?
D is equals to 3.
Excellent boss. Very good. D is 3 and what is R?
R is equal to 5.
Very good boss. Very good. Okay, बघा A is always our first term, that is for sure. D you get from the AP, that is a common difference आपल्याकडे AP मध्ये असतो आणि common ratio you get from the GP. So this is AP, this is GP, this is my R and this is my D. So let's substitute these values. So A is what? It is 1 divided by 1 minus R कितना है? 5. Okay, so एक मिनिट.
r 1/5 असेल ना?
It is 25/5, 125/5.
नाही म्हणजे टर्म्स 4/5
Yeah. Okay. Yes. So here one small mistake we have done here, and that is, thank you. Who was that? Nikita. Very good. बघा इथे आपण काय गडबड केली आहे. We have considered the direct denominator. Okay, but for that denominator the terms are like this now. It is 1/5, 1/25, 1/125. Yes, very good boss, very good. It is 1/625 and so on. This is in GP with R is what? It is 125/5. 1/25 divided by 1/5 means what? It is 1/5 only. ये गया 5 पे. So you are getting the R is equals to 1/5. I hope it is clear. क्षितिज ने कुणाल, it is 1/5.
Yes, sir.
कुणाल समजते का रे?
हो.
ओके स्वप्नील
हो सर.
समजतंय.
हो सर.
शलाका, केतकी,
समजते.
बापरे तुमचं समजतंयच एवढं डेंजर आहे ना. कोण शलाका बोलली असेल नक्की. शलाका तुम्हाला सांगतोय मी खूप मोठमोठ्याने बोला, जोरात बोला तुम्ही. कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स वाढवा तुमचे. ओके सो लेट्स सबस्टिट्यूट these values a, d and r. So what is r is? It should be 1/5. So it is 1/5 plus d is 3, r is 1/5 again, all divided by 1 minus 1/5 whole square. Now let's solve this. So it is 1 divided by 1 minus 1/5 is nothing but 4/5 plus 3/5 into ये 4/5 का स्क्वायर हो गया. So it becomes 4/5 that's a square. So this is nothing but ये हो गया 5/4 plus ये 3/5 into ये डिवाइड मध्ये 4/5 है तो इंटू में कितना हो गया 25/16 हो गया ना. 5/4 का स्क्वायर होईल. ये कि 5 पे गया. So can we have any cancellation here? No further cancellation. So let's try to make the common denominator. So the ratio is like this: 5/4 plus 15/16. So what is LCM here? 16 is my LCM. So multiply by 16 in the numerator. So 16/4 becomes 4. So 4 into 5 plus 15 whole divided by 16, which is equals to 20 plus 15 by 16, which is equals to 35/16. This should be your answer. 35/16. Is this okay? कुठली स्टेप नाही समजली का? इथे काही नाही केलं मी. एलसीएम केलं. एलसीएम मला वाटतं मी आतापर्यंत खूप वेळा सांगितले तुम्हाला एलसीएम कसं काढायचा. दिले डिनॉमिनेटर मधल्या मोठ्या टर्मनी वरती न्यूमरेटर मल्टिप्लाय करून टाकायचं. ओके सो यू विल गेट दॅट. 16 ला जर मल्टिप्लाय केला तर हे 4 जा होईल ना. सो दॅट्स वाय इट कम्स ॲज अ 4 into 5 20. So 20 plus 15. Is this okay? 35/16. Any doubt in this question? हॅलो का भरपूर डाऊट आहेत म्हणून तुम्ही विचारत नाही असं काही आहे?
सर लास्टची
नाही,
स्टेप एकदा
नाही,
सांगा ना
doubt नाही.
परत.
ओके कुठली स्टेप इथे लिहा.
मला एलसीएम नाही कळाला.
ओके बघा मी एलसीएम अजून एकदा सांगतोय. सगळ्यांनी प्लीज लक्ष द्या, व्यवस्थित लक्ष द्या. सी हिअर व्हॉट इज द एलसीएम? इट इज द लिस्ट कॉमन मल्टिपल. This method we use whenever we have different denominators. Like in this case we have that is a 5/4 plus 15/16. Okay, here we do not have the same denominators. That's why you cannot add the numerators. So there are n number of ways in which you can solve this method. The first method is, see here, simply you do the cross multiplication. 16 into 5 plus 15 into 4 divided by ह्या दोघांचं मल्टिप्लिकेशन 16 into 4. ओके सो दिस इन्क्लूड्स दी ह्यूज नंबर्स मल्टिप्लिकेशन्स. 16 आणि गुणिले 5 15 4 मग 16 4 ह्यांचं मल्टिप्लिकेशन होईल. सो इट इज व्हॉट बिट लेंदी प्रोसिजर. ओके बट द सेम प्रोसिजर the same question I can solve with the help of the LCM method. So what is LCM is? So if you check the denominator we have 4 and 16. What is the LCM of 4 and 16 is 16 only. It is the least common multiple. म्हणजे असा नंबर पाहिजे डिनॉमिनेटर मधल्या जे नंबर पैकी असा नंबर सिलेक्ट करायचा की ज्या नंबरला दिलेल्या सगळ्या नंबरने डिव्हिजन करता येतं. आता ह्या 16 ला 4 ने डिवाइड करता येतं ना. दॅट्स वाय आय टेक दिस 16 ॲज. आता जर तुम्ही म्हणाल सर 4 LCM का घेतला नाही तुम्ही, लिस्ट कॉमन मल्टिपल आहे, मग तुम्ही 4 का नाही घेतला? मला सांगा 4 ला 16 ने डिवाइड करता येतं का? हो नाही करता येत. सो यू हॅव टू कन्सिडर दॅट द लिस्ट कॉमन मल्टिपल मीन्स इट विल बी द ग्रेटेस्ट अमॉंग दी नंबर्स. मग ह्या 16 ला 4 ने डिवाइड करू शकतो मीन्स इट बिकम्स द LCM ॲज अ 16. नाउ वन्स यू गेट दॅट LCM you just multiply and divide by that 16 LCM number, multiply and divide by that number. So what will happen? So 16 by 16, 5 by 4 plus 16 by 16 into 15 by 16. कळालं इथंपर्यंत? नाउ लेट्स चेक क्या क्या कॅन्सल हो सकता है यहाँ पे. सो पहिल्या टर्ममध्ये सी दिस 4 and this 16 and this 16 gets cancelled. So what is remaining is, now here 5 into 4 it is 20 by 16 plus 15 by 16. That's it. Now the denominator becomes same. मग आता denominator same झाल्यावरती you can simply add the numerators, which is 35 by 16. Is this okay? Swapnil?
हो सर समजलं.
Okay, perfect. So you try to solve the yes.
सर अजून एक क्वेश्चन, आपण 32 सॉल्व्ह केलता ना, हा तर x रेज टू 6 चा जो कोएफिशियंट आलता तो 2 रेज टू 6 अपॉन x फॅक्टोरियल
6
आलता ना.
factorial, 6 factorial. हो,
हा 6 फॅक्टोरियल. तर त्याला अजून डिफाइन मध्ये नाही सॉल्व्ह करू शकत का? टेक्स्ट
करू शकतो ना, का नाही करू शकत? करू शकतो. ऑफ कोर्स यू कॅन डू दॅट. सो लेट्स सी व्हाट इज दॅट इज 2 रेज टू 6 अपॉन 6 फॅक्टोरियल है ना. सो 2 रेज टू 6 हाउ यू राइट? इट इज 2 into 2 into 2 2 into 2 into 2 whole divided by 6 factorial means what? 6 into 5 into 4 3 into 2 into 1. बरोबर. मग आता ह्याला तुम्ही करा. हे 2 2 ला कॅन्सल झाला, हे 2 2 4 झाले, हे 4 कॅन्सल झालं, हे 2 गेले 3 ला. इज दिस ओके? आता काय करायला बघा. आता वरती न्यूमरेटरला काय राहिला? 2 into 2 4 राहिला. खाली डिनॉमिनेटरला काय राहिला? हे 3 into 5 into this 3. So it is 4 divided by 5 3 15 15 आणि हे 3 45. 4 by 45 is your answer. This should be your answer.
ओके.
Is this okay?
हो सर.
Okay, so let's see who all present here. So Abhishek, Amisha, Atharva. So new students until and yes Abhishek, Atharva, yes.
येस सर.
ओके, तेच म्हणते. समजतंय का सगळं?
हो सर समजते.
येस. until unless you go through the revision classes, जोपर्यंत तुम्ही रिव्हिजन क्लास बघत नाहीये तोपर्यंत तुम्हाला इथले गोष्टी समजणार नाहीत. सो प्लीज आय रिक्वेस्ट all those students who have the doubts in the previous exercises, you can go through the revision class, or otherwise I have provided all the videos of this class. टोटल व्हिडिओज आहेत. एक्सरसाइजचे सोल्युशन्स म्हणून PDF कॉपीज मी पाठवले तुम्हाला. सो प्लीज गो थ्रू ऑल दोज सेक्शन्स, very small basic concepts, and you try to solve all these questions, because though it is a 30 question or though it is 100 questions, जरी P 100 questions solve केले, that is none of your use until unless you give try on your own. स्वतःहून ट्राय करायचं. चिन्मय, क्षितिज, कुणाल, सोनिया, आय होप दिस सेशन वॉज ओके. टॉपिक समजला असं मी कन्सिडर करतो. निकिता, जे,
हो सर.
ओके गुड. PK, केतकी, राजा, रोहित, साहिल, साक्षांत, शलाका, इज दिस ओके?
हो सर.
ओके. स्वप्नील and वैदेही. ठीक आहे. So with this we will stop here, and from the tomorrow we are going to start the next topic, which is a permutation and combination.
सर आज काहीच होमवर्क नाही.
No, खत्म हो गया ना सब. अभी क्या होमवर्क चाहिए क्या आपको? होमवर्क काय काय?
पार्ट 1
हाँ
मॅथ्सचा.
हाँ पार्ट 1 काय झालं?
पार्ट 1 घेता का उद्या?
नाही का हो, काय झालं? तुम्ही आता दुसरा का तिसरा वेळेस विचारताय मला पार्ट 1 कधी घेणार आहे सर? काय प्रॉब्लेम आहे? पार्ट 1 ला तुमची जास्त ओढ दिसत आहे मला. नका टेन्शन घेऊ, आपण सगळ्या गोष्टी सॉल्व्ह करणारच आहोत. डोंट वरी, प्लीज बी विथ मी. मला थोडं सिस्टमॅटिकली घेऊ द्या, कारण मला माहिती आहे ना कसं इन कुठल्या डायरेक्शनने घेतल्यावरती तुम्हाला चांगलं समजेल. Okay, so we will use that flow and we will try to cover all the topics. दिवाळीपर्यंत आपलं हा पूर्ण बुक संपायला पाहिजे अशी माझी इच्छा आहे. बघू आपण काय होतं. चालेल.
हो
सो
सर.
साक्षात गडबड करू नका. पार्ट 1 पण आपण चालू करूया. ठीक आहे. सो विथ दिस वी विल स्टॉप हियर. फ्रॉम द टुमॉरो we are going to start the next topic, permutations and combinations, the very easy and interesting topic. बहुत ही interesting topic है. You will enjoy the topic. Is this okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay boss, thank you so much. We will see tomorrow.
Bye.